my dear friend. Let's draw and color a puppy together. We need these colors: light brown, brown, red, blue, light blue, yellow, orange, purple, and green. subscribe to my channel.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Like it.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
subscribe to my channel. Like it. Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.